All right, so for the next construction, we'll be looking at the involute of a square, and I'm basically reusing the layers that we used for the previous construction. So just the construction line layer and the involute layer. Now for this, I'm basically going to use a measurement of 45 mm to draw the square that we have here. So I'm going to start by drawing the square, baseline, 5 mm. Then I'm going to go up 45, and well, you should know how to do this because this is probably one of the most simple shapes to draw. All right, and the good thing with this construction here is that you can basically look at this image and it basically tells you what you need to do to finish off this construction. So first thing we need to do is we need to switch to our construction line layer, and we're basically going to extend this side. Measurement doesn't really matter. We're going to extend this side. This one should be longer than the previous one, and I'm just going to move this more towards this side so I can have more space. And we're also going to extend here. So 3 lines, 1, 2, and 3. Good. So you can see that we have one arc here going from point D to point E, and this one is basically the measurement of one side of the square, right? Which is why you see just the letter R here, right? The R represents the measurement here. So I'm going to turn off ortho mode, and I'm going to use my arc tool, center start end. Oh, before I use that, I should switch to my involute layer, right? Yes, so I'm going to use my arc tool, and from here, this is the point at which I'm going to specify the start, and the arc is going to be from the top here. So remember, whenever you want to switch the direction of the arc, you need to hold down the control key on your keyboard or the CTRL key, and this arc is basically going to end at the line that we drew here, right? And if you want to, you can basically trim out the extra here. Good. So for the next arc, which is 2R, this is basically continuing where the previous arc left off. So again, pretty straightforward. We know that 2R is obviously twice the radius, right? So again, you're using your arc tool, and this is going to be your start point, and the arc is going to continue from here basically, right? And you can see that it's twice the size because 90 is obviously 2 times 45, right? So again, I need to use the control key to switch the direction, and this arc is going to end off where this line is. And finally, we have the last arc, which is 3 times the radius, and that's going to be from this point here. This is going to be the start point, and this is going to be the end point basically. Use the control key to switch the direction, and the arc ends off here, and that's pretty much it. That's the involute of the square, right?